In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel. Whether you're organizing your financial data, preparing reports, or simply backing up your accounting information, exporting your chart of accounts to Excel is a quick and easy process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all your account details neatly stored in a downloadable spreadsheet, ready for editing or sharing. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you'll find a sign-up link in the description below. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a small gear-shaped icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to all the essential settings and tools in QuickBooks Online. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This will take you to the Chart of Accounts view, where all your financial accounts are listed. Now, in the top right corner of the Chart of Accounts view, you'll notice an option that says Run Report. Click on this and QuickBooks will start generating a detailed report of your chart of accounts. This might take a moment, so just wait for the report to fully load and display on your screen. Once the report is visible, it's time to export it. Look to the top right corner of the report view and you'll see an Export button. It's represented by an icon of a sheet of paper with an arrow pointing outward. Click on this button to access your export options. From the options that appear, select Export to Excel. This will initiate the download process. Depending on your browser and settings, you might see a prompt to confirm or choose where to save the file. Just allow the download to complete. Once the Excel file has finished downloading, you're ready to open it. Locate the file in your Downloads folder, double-click to open it, and you'll have your full chart of accounts data at your fingertips. From here, you can review, edit, or share this information as needed. And that's all there is to it. Exporting your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel is a straightforward process that ensures you have complete flexibility with your financial data. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.